Quack, 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 quack. La, 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 la. Quack, 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 quack. La, 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 la.
Huh?
It's raining outside. What should I take when going out?
Big raincoat.
This raincoat is too big.
Little raincoat.
Let me put on my little raincoat and sneak outside.
Recently, our city has experienced several days of heavy rainfall, which could lead to a major flood.
Tap here and jump in puddles with Quacky. This is so fun! Uh-oh, the rain got heavier. Quacky wants to go home. Oh no! Quacky's gonna be drowned in the water!
Help! What should Quacky grab to stay safe in the water? Come on, help Quacky find something to hold on to. The power pole might has an electrical leakage and is dangerous. The glass is sharp and may cut Quacky. The car will sink in the water. Great! The wooden plank can help Quacky float on the water.
Quacky has to get to higher ground!
Which is the highest and safest spot? This place is too low. It'll get flooded soon. This place is too low. It'll get flooded soon. The tall house is safe. The floodwater won't reach it.
Let's go to the high roof!
Drag Quacky up and down to avoid obstacles. Be careful not to get cut by glass. Be careful not to get cut by glass.
Phew! We finally made it to high ground and won't get flooded.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Help! Help!
Where are you? I can't see you.
Right! Mom once told me.
Bright-colored things are more likely to be noticed.
Aha! My neckerchief! Quacky can hold it up high!
Hey, kid.
Quacky wants to go home! Mom! Dad!
Oh, Quacky! We've been looking for you everywhere. It's dangerous to go out in a heavy rainstorm.
That's right. Heavy rain can cause floods. Ah, look at that!
Higher places are safer. Let's hurry upstairs.
Okay, let's bring some emergency supplies. Where are these things? Let's find them. Food. First aid kit. Drinking water. We've got all the supplies. Let's head upstairs. Tap to see what Quacky found.
The water's flowing down the drain. But why is there more and more water?
Ahem. That's easy. Follow me.
The sink?
Yes, look. It's just like the drain on the road. Turn on the faucet.
The water's flowing down the drain.
Try turning it on a bit more.
Quack. It's a downpour now.
See? When there's too much water and it can't drain fast enough, the water just keeps rising. The same thing happens on the roads. It's been raining too much these days.
I got it. And the drain is working slow. The rainwater can't drain fast enough, so it turns into a flood.
You're right.
The rain stopped. Quack? Why is there still so much water?
The debris is blocking the drain, making the water drain too slowly. That's why there's standing water.
Let's go clean the drain together. Drag the grabber to pick up the debris. Drag the shovel to remove the mud.
There's no more debris.
The water's draining fast now, and the standing water is gone. So, when the rainstorm strikes,
Hurry home.
Go up high and...
Don't get flooded.